Guys, as you all know that lockdown in India has been extended till May 3rd. So here is another video on free certification courses across e-learning sites which you can do during lockdown period. Prior to this, I already made one video on free certification courses across e-learning sites. You can check that out in the I button up. So today we will see 5 organizations which provide the certification courses for free of cost during this lockdown period along with certificate. Initially, all these courses used to cost a bit, but during this COVID-19 situation, all these companies are providing their certification courses for free of cost. So I will definitely recommend you complete as much as you can. So the 5 e-learning sites would be Oracle, Coursera, Google, Great Learning, and Harvard University. Before we continue with our rest of the video, I would definitely recommend you watch the video till the end to know the entire process in order to get free certification along with certificate. And if you are new to this channel, I would recommend you to hit the subscribe button. So this is my blog link. I will add the link in the description box below. Once you come over here, the first site you will find is Oracle. So these are the free courses provided by the Oracle organization. Before going to any of these courses, you need to create an account using this site. Click on this, and from here you can create your account. Once account creation is done and email verification is also completed, you can come back over here and select your interested course. Suppose if you are interested in Oracle Autonomous Database Specialist, once click on it, you need to sign in and then continue with your course, and you will get 100% exam discount will be applied at the final checkout screen. So the next site is Coursera. Here are in total 85 courses offered by Coursera for free of cost during the lockdown period. You can choose any of them and get certified in them, and definitely you will get a certificate upon completion. Suppose you are interested in computer vision basics, click on that and you will be redirected to Coursera page, and from here you can complete your course for free of cost, and here you will find an option to enroll. Go to course and you can start completing the course. And the next site is Great Learning. It is one of my favorite resource. Here you can find plenty of courses, and not just that, here even you will find some live classes. Before going to the site, you need to create an account in Great Learning. Click on the link and you will be redirected to the sign up page, something similar to like this. Fill all your details and create account, and after email verification you can directly go to dashboard. Once after reaching dashboard, here you will find plenty of courses and you can complete any of them. Like I have registered for Python for machine learning, introduction to our machine learning with Python, and here you can find live sessions, master classes, and many more courses. And the next site is Google. Here you will find two links, Analytics Academy and Digital Unlocked. Click on Analytics Academy and here you will find nearly 8 courses. Sorry, there are 6 courses I think. Yeah, and here you will find 6 courses. You can complete all of them. And the second link is Digital Unlocked. Upon clicking here, if this tag is include certification, then you will receive a certificate. If this tag is not included, you will get the classes but you won't get any certificate upon completion. So it's up to you whether you require certification or you require knowledge. There are plenty of courses here as well. There are in total 126 courses, and if you want to filter according to free certificate, click on that and you will get 2 courses and you can complete all these 2 courses. And the next site is from Harvard University. Here I have clearly mentioned that free online resource courses with no certificate, but resources will be available, in the sense that you won't get any certificate upon completion, but resources are available like videos, notes and all the etc. But upon completion, no certificate. Click on the site. Here you will find plenty of free courses but no certificate upon completion. Let me clear you that one thing.